Hello family, welcome back to my channel. Today is Valentine's Day wedding number 8. Today I will be recreating one of my creations that I did 3 years ago. All of the items that I will be using today will be in the description box. Now this floating candle holders that I'm doing right here is very simple to do and of course very inexpensive. The first thing I did was take 2 candle holders, turn one over on top of the other one, and glue them both together. The next thing I did was glue my vase on top of my candle holders. Next, I'm just going to glue just one string of diamond wrap around the center of both of my candle holders. The next thing I'm going to do is glue my diamond wrap onto my vase. I'm going to measure my diamond wrap around my vase and then I'm going to cut it out and glue it to it. I'm going to glue one at the bottom and one at the top. Right here, I'm putting my acrylic beads inside of my vase. I would like to take the time out to say hello to all my family members. It brings me so much joy that you took the time out of your day to watch, like, comment, and even share my videos. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Now to my first time viewers who are watching my video for the very first time, welcome. I appreciate you stopping by. I love weddings and I am Monica. If by the end of this video you enjoyed watching it, please subscribe, comment, like, and turn your notification bell on so you won't miss out on any of my videos that I upload. Again, welcome to this channel and I want you to become a part of our one big happy family. Blessings to everyone and their family who is watching this video. Until tomorrow, please come back and watch another one of my videos. Be safe. I think these candle holders look very elegant. I started doing candle holders like this about 3 years ago. So if you want to go and look at that video, you are welcome to, okay? I also did a floating candles centerpiece if you would like to go watch that video. Again, I want to thank each and every one of you who took time out of your busy day to watch my video. I hope you love these floating candles.